let's chat through our Showit site structure lingo, because within Showit, we might call things a little bit different names than you might have been used to on a different website platform. So just to be clear, so that if I reference something, you will know what I'm talking about. So within your Showit website, you have your website as a whole. Every page on your website makes up the website as a whole. Then your site is made up of individual pages, like your home page, your about page, etc. And pages are made up of sections or building blocks, which in Showit language we call canvases. So if we click on over to our individual page for our home page here, you'll see that there's sort of building blocks here that make up your given home page. Or if you hover over the editor here, you'll see some dotted lines between sections, and that just delineates different canvases of a given page. So again, your website is made up of pages, and each page is made up of sections that are called canvases. Within canvases, there are two types of canvases. There's a regular page canvas, which you'll see as these kind of dark charcoal building blocks here, or just if you were to click into a given canvas on your visual editor here in the middle, that's just a canvas that's on a specific page. For example, this is the About section from our home page. But you also see we do have some building blocks that have some diagonal lines on them, and those are called site canvases. You'll see them delineated by those diagonal lines here on the left-hand side. Or if you hover over a site canvas and you see diagonal lines, that will be a special site canvas too. Site canvases are cool because they're typically canvases that are used in multiple places across your website, and you typically want them to look the same and consistent across all of your pages. So if you think about when you might use a site canvas, it's typically going to be for canvases like your navigation canvas, your footer, your mobile navigation, etc. Certain canvases that you likely are using throughout your site in a couple different places, sometimes even on all of your pages, and you always want them to look the same. You want your navigation bar to look the same on your home page as on your services page. So that's why we do have the delineation of site canvases. So do note, if you make a change to a site canvas, it will often ask you to click in to edit that site canvas versus just clicking onto this canvas here. And that sort of serves as a friendly reminder that says, hey, if you make a change to this particular canvas, it's going to take effect across the website. Do you want to do that? And typically the answer is yes. But if you ever have a site canvas that for some reason you only want to change on your home page, for example, you can always click on that site canvas that you want to turn into a regular page canvas and convert it to a page canvas. Then if you make any changes to that particular site canvas or what was a site canvas on just one page, it will only take effect on that page. Otherwise, if you make a change to a site canvas that has these diagonal lines, it will take effect everywhere where that canvas is in use, so that you don't have to go page by page by page and make each of those changes individually. So again, we have our whole site made up of pages, and each page is made up of canvases, both regular page canvases and site canvases, where if you make a change to it on one page, it will take effect everywhere where that particular site canvas is in use.